Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to prevent an extension from being uninstalled in Google Chrome. This is useful when we want to keep important extensions installed and avoid accidental removal. We will walk you through each step to manage your Chrome extension settings. Let's get started. To lock our extensions and stop them from being accidentally removed, all we need to do is open the Run window. Press the Windows key and R at the same time, and the Run window will appear. Then we type the command and click OK. Now, minimize this window. We are now inside the registry editor, under Local Machine. Scroll down to find the right folder, then go to the Local Machine section and continue to the next step. Under the Software folder, click on Policies. Under Policies, we will right-click on Policies, then select New Key. Type Google and press Enter. Now, under Google, right-click again and select New Key. Type Chrome and press Enter. Next, click on Chrome and create another new key. Type Extension Force and press Enter. Now, in this window, right-click, select New, and then click String Value. We now have a new value. Double-click it, then paste in the ID of the extension we want to protect. Next, copy the extension ID, go back to that window, and paste it into the Value Data field. Then click OK. As we can see, the extension can no longer be removed. It will stay in the browser until we relaunch Chrome. We have now successfully learned how to prevent an extension from being uninstalled in Google Chrome. Our important extensions are now protected,